can you talk to us about the difficulties of conducting clinical trials in children and why we have so few approved medications for kids?
Yeah, this is a good question. So, generally speaking, new treatments get studied in adults first, and there are a number of good reasons for that in terms of making sure that we have more safety data before we're exposing young people to a new treatment. Once a product is approved in adults, companies can do a study in pediatrics, and they're often motivated to do that because they can get a patent extension. However, usually those studies don't get started until a couple of years after the new treatment has already come to market. Those studies take typically years to do. They're very expensive. They might
Mhm.
have particularly restrictive inclusion criteria that can make it hard for them to enroll and meet their enrollment targets. And so sometimes those trials don't necessarily get completed, or they take years before we get the results. And sometimes we're just left in limbo for the better part of a decade, maybe, waiting to see if we're going to get trial results from a pediatric trial.